Behind every smooth lift ride, there's a system working quietly in the background, a system designed to give you control, simplicity, and complete peace of mind. Introducing SafeLine Orion, together with NOVA 2, the next-generation lift controller. NOVA 2 builds on the same familiar design you already trust, but now it's smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever before. At its core is a cutting-edge dual-core CPU, delivering improved performance, faster processing, and reliable operation in every situation. Designed for simplicity, NOVA 2 makes installation easier than ever. With fewer components, clear labeling, and a clean, intuitive design, it reduces complexity and saves valuable time for installers. Smart CAN bus wiring allows for faster setup and streamlined communication across the system, creating a smoother installation experience and a more efficient workflow on site. But NOVA 2 is not just about installation, it's about complete control. Together with SafeLine Orion, it gives you powerful remote access to your lift system, diagnose problems, monitor performance, and resolve up to 99% of common lift issues without ever needing to visit the site. Everything you need is available instantly, wherever you are. NOVA 2 works across brands and systems, making it ready for full integration in virtually any modern lift installation. Every event is recorded. Every signal is available when you need it, giving you the full picture at all times. Reliable, connected, and built for the future.